A Ukrainian company has built and delivered to the country's military the AQ-400 Scythe UAV, which is considered the answer to Moscow's Geran Scythe UAV thanks to its long-range swarm attack ability. Terminal Autonomy Company has published photos showing that the Ukrainian Defense Forces have received a series of long-range suicide drones called AQ-400 Scythe. Terminal Autonomy's goal is to mass-produce low-cost, highly efficient UAVs. Under the new contract, they are producing Scythe drones at a rate of 50 per month, but will rapidly increase to about 500 by the second quarter of 2024. Terminal Autonomy hopes to be able to produce 1,000 UAVs a month in the future. The AQ-400 Scythe boasts an impressive range of 750 kilometers, offering the potential of regularly targeting sites within the Russian Federation. The takeoff weight of the drone stands at 100 kilograms, and a considerable part, 32 kilograms, constitutes the warhead. This weight can be increased to 70 kilograms by limiting the flight range. Significantly, this drone's warhead matches, if not surpasses, the 40 kilograms payload carried by the Scythe Kamikaze drones currently used by Russia against Ukraine. Adding to its impressive feature, the AQ-400 Scythe drone possesses a wingspan of 2.3 meters and has a cruising speed of 144 km per hour. If equipped with a minimum warhead, it can remain in the air for up to 6.5 hours. Launching options for the drone are flexible. It can take off from a catapult or a runway. Terminal Autonomy did not give any more details about this game-changing development. Terminal Autonomy describes their AQ-400 Scythe as a no-frills, cost-effective payload delivery system. The compact design has two sets of wings, one forward and one rear, which provide maximum lift for minimum wingspan. The drone's body is made of mere sheets of plywood from a network of furniture factories, which the makers say is more scalable for mass production than 3D printing or using materials such as fiberglass. It is designed to be produced without skilled labor, so that the volume can be easily ramped up without lengthy technical training. Both Russia and Ukraine have made extensive use of radio frequency jamming to block the use of GPS and other satellite navigation systems. Scythes have often managed to find their targets, though with a combination of jam-resistant antennas and initial navigation. The Scythe can take a similar approach using a laser altimeter from light glare to fly at a very low level, around 30 meters. Jamming is only effective over line of sight, so low-flying drones are difficult to jam and are only affected when they are very close to the jammer. As an option extra, Scythe can also have a video link to the operator, turning it into a giant FPV kamikaze, able to pick out and attack moving targets with high precision. This is only possible within radio range, though, and adds to the cost. So most Scythes will attack pre-programmed coordinates, command centers, fuel and ammunition dumps, air defense installations, airfields, and other high-value targets. The basic Scythe UAV frame costs around $15,000 and increases to $30,000 with additional features such as navigation. Meanwhile, Geran's price is about $20,000 to $50,000 depending on the version. Scythe can be used to swarm a target. This mechanism is the same as Geran. According to experts, UAV attacks are effective because they often fly in large numbers. Intercepting low-flying UAVs is not a challenge, but Geran still caused great damage to Ukraine. According to statistics, Ukraine can shoot down 80% of Russian UAVs that hit the target at the same time, but still let the remaining 20% slip away. A sufficiently large number of drones could overwhelm defenses, and in the long run, attacks would deplete supplies of air-to-air missiles. The AQ-400 Scythe development underscores a paradigm shift in warfare technology, harnessing the prowess of unmanned systems to deliver strategic advantages on the battlefield. The system's streamlined production process and focus on cost efficiency demonstrate Terminal Autonomy's commitment to providing cutting-edge capabilities while ensuring a strategic, localized production footprint.